It's a felony. It's a very serious crime. And if we have a 9-year-old committing this crime, then something's gone wrong somewhere in this child's life.
A 9-year-old boy in court today charged with attacking and pulling a butcher's knife on his 11-year-old sister and his grandma, who was babysitting the kids at the time. DCF now investigating the situation.
An attorney not associated with the case says this likely won't be on the boy's permanent record, but now his family has concerns because the 9-year-old's mugshot is public. 4 in Your Corner's Lisa Greenberg has more on what happened at the hearing from the courthouse.
The boy's parents say the whole situation leading up to his first appearance here at the Lee County Courthouse was just blown out of proportion. Their son is now facing felony charges, and his mugshot is on the Lee County Sheriff's Office website. They're upset. They're saying he's 9 years old, and they don't understand why his mugshot is made public. This 9-year-old boy, who we're not identifying, made his first appearance at the Lee County Courthouse today, facing aggravated assault and battery charges after his grandmother made this 911 call.
The 9-year-old is completely unruly, using curse words, and then he pulled out a knife, a big butcher knife. And then he threatened you with it? Yeah, he came right up to us with it.
According to the Sheriff's Office report, his grandma and sister were in fear for their lives when the boy was walking toward them with a knife. As Fort Myers attorney Mike Giannopoulos tells me, he's seeing more cases like this.
We're now seeing children engaging in domestic violence as the predator. You know, 20 years ago, you would have never seen a child engage in domestic violence.
During this 9-year-old's hearing today, the state asked for a continuance, which Giannopoulos says is common.
Sometimes a continuance is entered because the state wants to take additional time to investigate some facts.
When I spoke to the parents last night, his mom said he's a good kid and didn't think his mugshot should be on the Sheriff's Office website since he's a minor. A Lee County Sheriff's Office spokesperson says, quote, "We are required by law that all juveniles arrested for felonies are posted to the website, social media, etc., per Florida statute." Despite the mugshot, Giannopoulos tells me these charges will only show on his juvenile record.
The bad news is that this young man felt it was appropriate to express himself in a violent way with a deadly weapon. The good news is how this impacts the rest of his life will really be up to him and his family.
Now, that 9-year-old boy's next court appearance is scheduled for November 15th. That's just 2 weeks from now, and you can count on 4 in Your Corner to keep you updated with this case. For now, we're in downtown Fort Myers. Lisa Greenberg, Fox 4 in Your Corner. All right, thank you, Lisa. We do want to hear from you now. Do you think the mugshot of that 9-year-old should have been released based on the crime he committed? It is Florida law, but what are your thoughts on it? 206 Fox 4. Email us news@fox4now.com.